Okay, so get this. You ready for this? We are talking about AI, artificial intelligence,
Hmm.
but not just like AI in general. Using AI to build a whole YouTube empire focused on health.
I know it's kind of blowing my mind too. All these pieces are starting to come together, right? You got the AI stuff, it's getting so powerful, so fast. Then you got all these people online just like desperate for good information about their health. So it's like, okay, how do you put those two together?
Well, that's what we're going to dive into. Our source lays out this whole plan, and the first thing it says is you got to get niche,
Yeah.
right? Like
Yeah.
really specific.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And I mean, obviously it should be something you're passionate about, right? But like you were saying, it's got to be more than just, oh, this is cool or I like learning about this. You got to see what people are actually looking for.
Right, like hard data, not just vibes.
Totally. And there are tools for this. Like, I think everybody knows about Google Trends, right? But there's also YouTube Trends, which is really key for this. So you can see what people are actually searching for, what's hot
Mhm.
right now.
Data-driven content, gotta love it.
Yeah.
Okay, so you found your niche, then what? The source dives right into the AI toolkit. And this is where it gets really, really interesting. Like, you've probably heard of ChatGPT, right?
Oh, yeah.
But you can actually use it for this. I mean, this whole thing is about using AI for every step.
Yeah.
So ChatGPT or even Grammarly can help you write the script for your video.
Yeah, and that's just the start. Like, once you have the script, you don't need to hire some fancy production company. Platforms like Pictory or Lumen 5, even in video, they can take your script and turn it into an actual video.
Whoa, wait, hold up. So you mean like full-on visuals?
Yeah, using animation, stock footage. I mean, obviously, it's not going to be some Hollywood blockbuster or anything, but like, it's good enough. Especially for YouTube.
That's incredible. But so you've got your script, you've got your video. What about the voiceover?
Well, AI's got you covered there too. There are platforms like Descript, Murph.ai, and they can generate super realistic sounding voiceovers. I mean, like, scarily good.
I know. It's crazy, right? It's like, what can't AI do these days? But then you have to think about, like, okay, we've got this amazing video. Now, how do people actually find it?
Yeah, that's where SEO comes in. Search engine optimization. Got to make sure your video is showing up when people are searching for information in your niche, right?
It's all about keywords. So you have to think strategically about the words you're using in your title, description, tags,
Yeah.
the whole 9 yards.
And there are actually tools that can help you with this, like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. They can show you what keywords people are using so you can make sure your video is optimized.
Nice. So our video is ready to go. It's optimized for search. But like posting consistently, that's a whole other thing, right? I know, I struggle with that.
Yeah, that's where the automation part comes in. You can literally schedule your uploads in advance, set it and forget it. It's amazing.
Oh, wow. And I mean, think about all the time you'd save. You could be focusing on creating more content, researching new topics, or even just, taking a break.
Yeah. Right. It frees you up to do the things that you're good at, the things that require your unique skills and knowledge.
Makes sense. Okay, so the video is up, it's scheduled. Now, how do we get people to actually watch it?
Well, obviously, you got to promote it. Social media is huge for this. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. You want to get the word out there, let people know your video exists, and don't be afraid to get creative with it.
Yeah, totally. Teasers, behind-the-scenes stuff, and then there's like collabs, right? Like reaching out to other people in the health space.
Yeah, collaborations, those can be super powerful. It's a win-win for everyone involved. You get exposed to a new audience, they get exposed to yours.
All right, so we've got eyeballs on the video. But now, let's talk about the part we're all excited about, making money.
Right, monetization. And there are a few different ways to approach this. The most common is probably the YouTube Partner Program. You hit 1,000 subscribers, get 4,000 watch hours, and then you can apply to run ads on your videos.
Okay, so that's the classic way. But there are other options too, right? Like affiliate marketing.
Exactly. If you're recommending products in your videos, you can sign up for affiliate programs and include special links in your descriptions. Then, if someone buys something through your link, you get a commission.
Oh, that's cool. And I mean, there's always sponsored content too, right? Partnering with brands you love.
Definitely. But remember, with any of these monetization strategies, it's super important to be authentic. You want to promote products you genuinely believe in that align with your values.
For sure. Authenticity is key.
Yeah.
But even with amazing content, you can't just assume it's going to be a hit. You got to look at the data.
Yeah, absolutely. YouTube Analytics is your best friend here. It can tell you so much about how people are interacting with your videos. Are they watching the whole thing? Are they clicking on your links? That kind of stuff.
So you got to be flexible. Use that data to keep improving your content. Oh, and don't forget about feedback. Like, actually read the comments, engage with your viewers.
Yeah, community is everything. Respond to comments, answer questions, make people feel heard.
Okay, so we've covered a lot here. But the one thing that really stuck with me from the source is that, like, none of this matters if your content is bad. You can have the best AI tools in the world, but if your videos are boring or inaccurate, people aren't going to watch.
Totally. Quality over quantity, always. And I mean, there's so much information out there, especially in the health space. You got to stay up to date on the latest research, the latest trends, make sure your content is fresh, engaging, and most importantly, accurate.
Right. So is this AI approach to YouTube, is this the future of, like, all content creation? It's wild to think about.
It's definitely a sign of things to come. AI is going to keep getting more powerful, more sophisticated. The possibilities are pretty much endless. But at the end of the day, I think the human element is still going to be crucial. It's your creativity, your passion, your unique perspective. That's what's going to make your content stand out.
Well said. All right, folks, that's our deep dive for today. Hopefully this got your wheels turning about AI, YouTube, and everything in between. We'll catch you next time.
See you then.